We're doing the question number 4. Okay, you can see here the diagram below shows two forces F1 equal 5 Newton. F1 is 5 Newton. F2 equal 3 Newton acting at points A and B. You can see here A is here, B is here. At A, what is acting? F1 is acting. Okay, how much it is? 5 Newton. At B, what is acting? F2 is acting. How much it is? 3 Newton. Got it? Acting at points A and B of a rod pivoted at point O. It's pivoted at point O. The rod is pivoted at point O such that OA distance is 2 meter, OB distance is 4 meter. Calculate. The first one is the moment of force F1 about O. Moment of force F1 about O. First one. So I write F1 first. Okay. Moment of force F1 about O. Mother, due to force F1, what is the effect? Okay. So F1 पहले लिखूंगा 5 meter. Got it? Wait, what is the distance of F1 from O? O is the point of pivot. Okay. Or O is the axis through O is a point through which the axis of rotation passes. Okay. So what is the distance of F1 from O? OA, 2 meter. I wrote it OA equal 2 meter. So the moment of force F1 about O will be F1 into OA, 5 into 2. Got it? How much you get? 10 Newton meter. So the moment of force F1 about O equal 10 Newton meter, and you can see it's anti-clockwise. It will rotate it anti-clockwise. It will rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay. Now let's see the second part. Now the second part says they want, please have a look here. The moment of force F2 about O. Look at F2. F2 is how much, children? 3 Newton. Okay. What is the distance of F2 from the axis of rotation? OB, how much it is? 4 meter. So I better write OB equal 4 meter. Okay. So what will happen now? So I can calculate the answer. The moment of force. The moment of force F2 about O is, please have a look here, force into distance. For F2 is the force and OB is the distance. So F2 is how much, children? It is F2 is 3 Newton. And what is this? 3 Newton and 4 meter. Got it? So how much you get? 12 Newton meter. Got it? And remember, this is anti-clockwise. What it is? Sorry, I'm so sorry. So sorry. This is what, children? You can see here, it rotates. This force brings a rotation, and this rotation, when you look at this, it is, what is it? Like, this is, please have a look here. This is anti-clockwise, so this is clockwise, okay? Clockwise. Now, children, clockwise. Okay. Now, what is the next one? So we better write the answer first. The moment of force, the moment of force F2 about O equal 12 Newton meter and clockwise. Okay, it is clockwise. Now, always remember, children, anti-clockwise movement should be taken as positive. Clockwise movement should be taken as negative. Whenever you want to find total मतलब क्या है? Add करना पड़ेगा, okay? Total मतलब क्या है बेटा? Add करना पड़ेगा. और जब भी आप add करेंगे, तो आपको please have a look here. थोड़ा you have to take into consideration, got it? The rules, okay? The conventions. Okay, what is the convention given? One convention, simple, anti-clockwise movement is always positive. Anti-clockwise movement, you should always take it as positive. And clockwise movement, you should always take it as negative. Okay, so you can see here, children, now, when I use it for finding the third one. Now, what is the third part? When you look at it carefully, at the third part says, calculate the total moment of force. Calculate the total moment of force. Calculate the total moment of force. So the third part, I'm going to write it here. Please here, children. Total, they want a total moment of force. So total moment of force will be equal moment of force due to F1 will be equal to moment of force due to F1 plus moment of force due to F2. Moment of force due to F2. दोनों को ऐड करने का बेटा. Now what is moment of force due to F1? Moment of force due to F1, it was an anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise should always be taken as positive. So it is 10 Newton meter. Got it? Plus. Now, what is moment of force due to F2? It is clockwise. So you better do minus 12 Newton meter. Okay? So when you solve it, 10 Newton meter minus 12 Newton meter. When you add them, you get minus 2 Newton meter. So you're getting in subtracted, okay, value. That means clockwise. So the total moment of force, the total moment of force about O equal 2 Newton meter, and in bracket I'll write clockwise. Sorry. Yeah. The total moment of force about O is 2 Newton meter. And what it is, beta? Clockwise. What it is? Clockwise. Just have a look at it. I cannot write it here. Got it? So I keep it like that only, beta, because it goes to the next page. But remember, it is clockwise. Okay? When I get an answer, okay. So I think I just fitted it. Okay. Now, anyhow, children, I hope everybody has understood me. Okay. Now, we go to the fifth sum, children. We go to the fifth sum.